Michael Phelps Chili Goat cold tubs are designed to bring home the greatest in cold water therapy. Activate your potential with cold water that is clean and clear. And a key component is the filtration system. I'm gonna walk you through how to maintain the filter of your Chili Goat. The filter helps purify the water of your cold tub. Are you ready? Let's go. We recommend rinsing your filter once a week and using a filter cleaning product once a month. You can expect to replace your filter every 3 to 4 months. To get started, you'll need a garden hose, bucket, filter cleaner, and a towel. First, turn off the power to your cold tub. Lift the weir cover and remove the filter from the housing. Use a garden hose to rinse your filter, being sure to get in between the pleats of the fabric. Follow the instructions on your filter cleaner. Many filter cleaners require you to soak the filter overnight. There are also spray products that allow you to clean your filter more quickly. No matter which cleaner you use, be sure to thoroughly rinse the filter before replacing it, as residual cleaner can affect the quality of your water. Replace the filter and the weir. And of course, restore power to your Chili Goat. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to go to chiligoattubs.com to purchase filters and other accessories to make caring for your cold tub even easier. There, you can also find additional resources and your owner's manual. Until next time, keep it cool.